Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we will show how to complete step 2 within the XDS Management Wizards, which is the Domain Referencing Wizard. The Domain Referencing Wizard can be used to review, validate, and set up parent-child sibling relationships for domains that were created from the XDS import process. Let's get started. First, select the Domain Referencing Wizard. Within the Domain Referencing Wizard, you will see 3 panes. The first pane can be used to filter and view domains from the XDS import. The second pane can be used to view and make changes to parent-child sibling relationships for a selected domain. The third pane shows the domain relationship diagram. This diagram will be updated as you make changes to parent-child sibling relationships between domains. First, you will need to select a domain. For this example, we have selected account. There are 3 domains displayed under references for account. Currently, account level is the parent, and there are no siblings. We want to make branch the parent. When we select branch, the other 2 domains will automatically be set as siblings, and the domain relationship diagram will update. You can use the checkboxes to remove a domain as a sibling, or to add a domain as a sibling. You can also use the minus to the right of parent in the parent column to remove the current parent. If you want to make it a parent again, just use the radio button. Click on Mark as Reviewed. You will see that there is now a check mark in the reviewed column. Once a domain has been marked as reviewed, you will see that the button has changed to Mark as Not Reviewed. Let's select the next domain, which is a root domain. This domain does not have any parent-child relationships, so all we can do is mark it as reviewed. And we do the same for each of these domains. When we get to the card product domain, you will see that there are references for card type and customer account. We are going to make customer account the parent, and card type will automatically be made the sibling, and then mark as reviewed. Again, card type is a root, so we mark it as reviewed. Customer is also a root, so we mark it as reviewed. Customer account has account and customer. Currently, customer is the parent, and we are going to leave that as the parent and mark account as a sibling. And then we are going to mark it as reviewed. Transaction has 3 domain references: account, customer, and transaction type. Customer is currently the parent. We are going to make account the parent. Customer and transaction type are automatically made siblings. We're going to mark as reviewed. And finally, the transaction type is also a root domain, and we are going to mark it as reviewed. Once you have completed the review for each of the domains, you will see that the graph has updated and now shows 10 domains reviewed, 100% completed, because there were 10 domains that were imported by the XDS file. To return to the XDS Management Wizards, click on XDS Wizards in the breadcrumb bar. Next, you will need to mark the step as completed. Click on Mark Completed to the right of Step 2, Domain Referencing Wizard in the XDS Step Completion checklist, and then click Yes. This concludes our tutorial on Step 2, which is the Domain Referencing Wizard within the XDS Management Wizards. Thank you for watching.